You like your food hot and spicy, like my wife Nancy? Not that she's hot and spicy. No, she is kind of hot and spicy, but she likes her food hot and spicy too. So anyway, we're going to talk about some cool looking peppers today. Hang around. Well, welcome back. Here's a little pepper that I'm going to do today. It's called a Chinese 5-color, and this pepper plant, it puts off 5 different colors of peppers. So Nancy always likes different colors because she likes to use it in kimchi, and she also makes all kinds of different hot sauces with it. So this is for Nancy because I'm too tender to eat anything too spicy. But we started them from seed, and as you can see, they're coming along pretty good. They've been underneath the grow light in the indoor seed starting rack, so it's time to bring them outside and introduce them to the sunlight and let them get used to eating outside. And after they harden off for about a week, then we'll put these out in the earth garden. So we'll be back in about a week. Well, the Chinese 5-color hot peppers are starting to show some good progress. You can take a look at them. I had them I transferred them out into 4-inch cups, and they've done pretty good. And they're still in the house under the grow light. So this week I'm going to bring them out and get them onto the hardening table and harden them off a little bit, and see if we can get these guys ready for the earth garden in another couple of weeks. So we'll be back soon. This is our Chinese 5-color hot peppers. They're ready to go. They've been out here hardening off. They're good. They're ready to go in the ground. So I'm going to plant them today. Nancy's going to put a link at the end of this video. It says how to grow sweet peppers. Go look at that video, because that video shows you step by step how I plant with using a piece of fish and lime and the bamboo stakes and the little small tomato cage that supports them. Is the way I plant my sweet peppers and the way I plant my hot peppers are exactly the same. So take a look at that video, and we'll be back as soon as I get these in the ground, and we'll watch the progression of these peppers as they grow and mature until they finally get those 5 different colored peppers on them, and Nancy harvests them, and she can make herself a hot sauce or cook it in some of her kimchis or however she wants to use her hot pepper. So we'll be back shortly. Chinese 5-color peppers are in the ground. It's been a cool spring, but we're finally starting to get some hot days, so they're gonna like that hot weather, and they're gonna start taking off. So take a look down here how we got them put in. I was only gonna put 2 plants in, but I had some other ones that were looking kind of good, and I just didn't have the heart to throw them away. So I went ahead and planted them. So we ended up with what, 1, 2, 3, 4. We ended up with 6 of them. So I guess Nancy's gonna make plenty of hot sauce for the barbecue sandwiches. So we'll be back in the days ahead, and we'll watch these things as they grow and progress. See you soon. Well, the Chinese, oh hey, bing bing. The Chinese 5 colors are doing pretty good. They've put on tons of little blooms, and they're starting out with a whole bunch of these little purple peppers. Hey, sweetie. They got a lot of purple peppers, so they're starting out purple. And as time goes on, all these peppers will be changing colors and putting on new ones. So the new ones are purple, then they change to different colors as they go along. So we'll be back when these things get on several different colors at once, and we'll take a look at them. So come on up and take a good close look, and we'll be back in a few weeks ahead. Okay, we'll be back in a few weeks ahead, and we'll take a look at how it looks after we get some more colors on it. You gonna help me? We'll see you soon. Well, our Chinese 5 color is really rolling, so I wanted to give you another update because they're starting to put on the different colors, and the bushes are just beautiful. So let's come on up and take a walk down through here and take a look at how these plants are developing. Plants are making some good progress. They're coming along. This is a good healthy plant, just loaded with peppers. If you look up in there real good, you can start to see all these different colors starting to come out in there. See them? If I move some of these leaves out of the way, you can see right in there, there's an orange one in there and a yellow one. You can still see some purple ones. There's some nice, beautiful purple ones right here. Some more purple, yellow, it's kind of an orange one in there. Different colors. So right now we've got, it looks to be the 5 different colors on the plant all at the same time. If you look all the way up in there, you can see one that's red. Well, the Chinese 5 color peppers are still growing. They're still putting on plenty more fruit, so it won't be too much longer, and we'll go ahead and harvest a bunch of these, and Nancy will make herself some of her hot sauce that I like to name Road Flare. So that's her Road Flare hot sauce. So we hope you've enjoyed learning how to grow the Chinese 5 color hot peppers with us, and you may want to add this to your garden next year. These are on the Scoville heat unit. These are at 50,000. So these aren't really they're a pretty hot pepper, but I think it's edible. So we thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and be a part of our YouTube family. And until we see you next time, always remember, by His hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching our videos. We really love making them. If you like our videos, please like our Facebook page to get the latest tips and tricks. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the newest video. Like it, it would really inspire and encourage us. But most importantly, share it to encourage others. We'll welcome your comments and questions. Thank you. Have a blessed day.